Hello, it's Marco here from Markom3D. In this video, I'm going to go through a quick time lapse of me creating one of the short films over on Dead Set Digital, so youtube.com/deadsetdigital. Head over there, check out the actual short film in completion. It's only about 10-15 seconds long. At the start of this video, you'll see that I'm using Character Creator 3 to create 3 characters in a matter of, I think real time is about 7 minutes. If you want to pick up Character Creator 3, I do have a link in the description. If you want to support the channel, please use that one. Then we'll go into kind of posing one of the characters. Actually, I think I posed both of the characters at that point. And then we built the courtroom. Now I'm referencing actual courtrooms, just kind of make sure it's kind of got that same look and feel. From there, I believe I recorded the audio for the whole short film, so the kind of the voiceover track. And then did the final posing of the third character. Now, with rendering, I would have done it differently had I actually thought about it. So I probably actually would have just done like maybe a 4K render of the image rather than rendering an animation of the camera pulling out, because then like I'm just duplicating those frames with no benefit. So it would have been better just to have one picture and kind of zoom out like that, and then the second part of the scene you see is just one image. So lessons learned, I'm trying to increase this workflow. In total, it took me about 46 minutes to make this short film from nothing to something. But obviously, I fast forwarded to 11.5 minutes. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out, keeps up to date with my content. And also go check out Dead Set Digital. Hit the subscribe over there. And if you find the video funny, share it around. Or this one as well, it's fine. Yeah. I'll let you get back to it. you.